Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best liver repair is probably one of the most important products you can consider for your health. Your liver is a powerhouse, working tirelessly to keep you healthy, but it's also vulnerable to damage from various factors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best liver repair options available, exploring their ingredients, benefits, and how they can help you support your liver's vital functions. Get ready to discover how to give your liver the support it deserves. Number 5. Nature's Craft Liver Cleanse Detox and Repair. This advanced liver cleanser promotes stronger liver function. It is enriched with chanca piedra, berberine, dandelion root, and artichoke leaf. You can trust it for your liver care. This liver health formula is powered by milk thistle and other protective antioxidants. It helps maintain normal liver function. It also promotes digestion and immunity. Nourish your body with these herbal liver supplements. They are designed for both women and men. It helps detox, cleanse, and protect your liver while supporting its daily function. This herbal milk thistle supplement is made in a GMP American lab. It contains non-GMO botanicals without magnesium stearate or silicone dioxide. You can supplement with confidence. We believe in harnessing the gifts of Mother Nature. We are proud to offer this premium liver support supplement. It is made for men and women with consumers like you in mind. What we like. This product boasts a comprehensive herbal blend designed to support your liver. It also aids in digestion and boosts your immunity. If you are looking for a supplement that covers multiple aspects of liver health and overall wellness, you should consider this. What people say. After taking these for around a week or so, I feel less bloated, and just healthier in general. Almost with more energy than before. Yo tenía hígado graso y mi alt y todas esas cosas estaban fuera del rango normal. 3 meses después de tomarlo me hicieron las pruebas de nuevo y estaba mejorando muchísimo. En la siguiente prueba ya estaba normal. Felt noticeably better after taking these the first time. Number 4. Liver Cleanse Detox and Repair Supplement, 60 caps. This supplement is scientifically formulated to support your liver. It includes milk thistle, choline, and other natural ingredients. It's perfect for those seeking natural detoxification. This contains a potent milk thistle extract, packed with antioxidants. It helps support liver health and promote cellular repair. It's designed for those who value natural wellness. This herbal supplement supports your liver's natural detoxification process. It helps eliminate toxins and maintain energy. It allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This supplement also supports digestive health with dandelion root and other ingredients. It promotes healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. It's ideal for busy individuals. This product is made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. It's non-GMO, vegan, and free from common allergens. It's third-party tested for purity and potency, ensuring quality. What we like. This supplement focuses on cellular repair and digestive health. It is also made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you value a supplement that supports both liver function and digestive comfort, you should consider it. What people say. I had high levels in my blood work and started using this. Now, I am not only in range, but I am several points below the highest level. My doctor approves. Delivered as promised and on time. Great service. Product seems to be helping my liver numbers improve. Came quickly and lowered my AST and ALT levels. Number 3. Dr. Tobias Liver 21-Day Cleanse. Are you looking for a way to support your liver health? This product is designed to help. It's a powerful herbal supplement to help cleanse and detox your liver. This cleanse includes milk thistle, dandelion, and artichoke extracts. These ingredients work together to support your digestive system and liver function. It comes in vegetarian capsules. The formula includes solarplast, an antioxidant. It helps protect your cells from damage. This supports the liver in its many functions. These supplements are made in the USA. They follow strict manufacturing guidelines. You can trust the quality of this product. This product is part of a mission to help you be your best. Whether you need digestive support or a detox, this supplement can help you on your journey. What we like. This product offers a 21-day cleanse, featuring solarplast for antioxidant support. It also supports digestion with added enzymes. If you are looking for a structured cleanse program with added benefits, you should consider this. What people say. Since I have been taking this live cleanse, I have not had any swelling. None at all. I have found that this supplement does seem to have an impact on easing the flare-ups when they occur as I continue to try to address the underlying problem. Number 2. Go Nutrients Liver Edge, Liver Support. Introducing Liver Edge from Go Nutrients. This supplement is designed to support your liver health. Crafted with organic and wild harvested ingredients, it ensures quick absorption. Your body will get the full benefits with every dose. This blend aids in cleansing the liver and promoting detoxification. It supports overall liver function for a healthier you. Feel revitalized as it enhances your energy levels and supports digestive health. It helps you tackle the day with ease. Made with care, it's non-GMO and gluten-free. It contains no artificial sweeteners or flavors. It's crafted in a GMP-certified facility. The convenient dropper design makes it simple to take. You can take it directly or mix it into water. It's perfect for daily use. What we like. This product comes in fast-absorbing liquid drops, perfect for those who want quick results. It also boosts energy and supports digestion. If you like a convenient and easy-to-use supplement, you should consider this. What people say. Definite change in health, easy to use, good product. Daily use is easy. Feel better after 1 week of use. Have been using over a year, recommend. This increases bile flow and it is evident in the shade of poop. Herbs are great in this product and this offers a combination that is very difficult to find. Number 1. Nature's Craft Liver Support Supplement. Are you looking for a way to support your liver health? This supplement is formulated with NAC, milk thistle, and other beneficial herbs. It's designed to help you feel your best. Your liver plays a vital role in your overall health. This supplement provides the support it needs with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs. Give your liver the extra love it deserves. This formula features a powerful milk thistle complex. It also includes beetroot, artichoke leaf extract, and organic turmeric root. It's a great way to support your liver naturally. NAC is known for its detoxifying properties. It can also help maintain immune health and brain function. This supplement gives your body the support it needs. Nature's Craft is committed to providing quality supplements. We are proud to offer products you can trust. Choose this supplement for your liver health needs. What we like. This supplement includes NAC, known for its detoxifying properties. It provides enhanced liver care with plant-based ingredients. If you are looking for a supplement with NAC to support liver health, you should consider it. What people say. I have been using this product for a month now and I can feel the difference. My liver function tests have improved significantly since I started taking this. I feel much better overall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.